na-commit nung first resolution, which is edited na po. Meron po kami mga dinagdag na medical supplies gaya ng nebulizers and other pruning equipments gaya po ng chainsaw para po sa 39 barangays po natin.
Okay. Any questions po, Councilor Raul?
Kasama po dyan yung 39 pieces po ng heavy duty. Another po is yung pong ating 800 pieces of triangular bandage na ibibigay din po sa mga, hindi lang po sa mga volunteers ng rescue, kundi pati po sa ating mga BNS. Yung sa 40 pieces of rescue jackets, napag-usapan po namin ng boss namin is kasama na po ang DRM Council po natin. Yes po. Yes. Yes. Yes po.
Okay. Any other questions? Sir, it will not really be coming or kayo na po ang represent?
Naka-OB po sa
Naka-OB po siya.
boss po.
Any other questions? Actually, I think we have suggested a few items para sa barangay and they already included some of or most of our requests to give assistance to the barangays. And regarding the prices, just assured naman na we were given assurance that they will be working hand in hand with the GSO, that the prices would be kung ano talaga yung standard ng ating LG. So, any other questions pa po? Siguro ako lang, sir. Matanong ko lang, ano po itong fabricated watchtower? Talagang po ninyo yung...
Yes, sir. Kung familiar po kayo sa Baywatch na parang pinapanood po ng mga matatag na una po sa atin, mga kagaya po yan. Mga kagaya po yan, mga ganong style po, kaya medyo may kamahalan po. Yung dalawa po dyan would be installed po sa Bolo.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. On behalf of our City Budget Officer, Ma'am Weng Ruiz, we wish to inform this August body that one of the items included in the plan, which is the nebulizer, is not included in the menu as indicated in the joint circular issued by the Department of Budget and the DILG.
Hindi
Yes,
ba
just to inform, sir.
Hindi po ba yung briefing na? Ang dala niyo yun. Ang dala niyo yun. Chair was one minute recess. Ito po yung briefing apparatus. Sir, nag-ibigay pa kayo ng medical before?
Budget namin, sir, pwede po kami mag-purchase ng nebulizer once na ikakarga po siya doon sa amin.
Pwede po. Hindi pwede.
Yes, we also wish to inform that the purchase of nebulizer is possible only when it is used in the ambulance as part of the medical equipment.
So, sir, do you siguro pwede mag-suggest, Cap Raul, imbis na nebulizer, ano yung pwede natin ibigay sa barangay? Or kayo na po mismo, Sir Alvin, kung ano pong tingin yung...
According naman po, sir, sa director po ng COA, pagdating naman daw po sa papers would be depending on the wording in accordance with the DBM circular. So, a nebulizer is a specific term po para sa medical supply wherein yung breathing apparatus is under po yung nebulizer. So, maybe sa pag-PR po namin, ang ilalagay na lang po namin is bronchodilator breathing apparatus para po mapumasok po siya dun sa circular po, sir, ng DBM.
That would be great. No? Kasi yun daw talaga yung need po ng mga barangay. Recess.
No recess.
Yun naman daw kasi yung kailangan talaga ng mga barangay lalo na ilan, diba? Councilor Rado.
Pwede na natin i-amend dito yun. Dito natin ilagay.
Oo.
Para pag-approve namin doon.
Reading aparato na.
Yun na lang ilalagay dito. Hindi na yung nebulizer. Otherwise,
Pwede.
in-approve natin yung...
Mali.
Yeah.
Pwede naman sir, i-edit na lang po yung page na.
Pwede. Ano po kayo na? DILGN. Nag-letter po yung DILGN, COA, na hindi pwede ang nebulizer, di ba?
I'm sorry sir, this is DILG.
Nakalagay po na you are referring to para. How did they say
It's
na
not
hindi
only
pwede?
included in the list.
Oh. The specific item is not okay, but a general term would suffice, siguro. As siguro. Okay, naka-recess tayo, Councilor Gas. Naka-recess tayo.
Kailangan niyo ba bang i-amend yung resolution ng LBC? Because of yung resolution ba ng LBC is just merely the approval of the utilization of the 28 million something or parang nasa 23 million out of the 28 million. Or does it include also that the changes in the approved resolution by the LBC should likewise be amended? Because before the matter was brought to the Sangguniang, this was approved by the LBC, right? Tama? So kailangan din bang i-amend din yung resolution ng LBC to comply dito na? Just for the purpose of curiosity.
Yes. Sir, with the resolution po ng Local Development Council, ang palagay ko po sir, ang dapat na lang pong i-edit or ayusin po, this would be yung plan, yung trust plan, because may existing po na circular din po ang DILG na kung ano po yung nakalagay sa trust fund plan, yun lang po yung pwede mong ilagay na PR, yun po yung pwede mong igawa ng papers.
Yes, I agree with you, but is it not also correct to say that without the resolution, with the amended resolution of the Sangguniang, what I am trying to drive at is that pinag-judge po yung dalawang resolution. Kasi pagdating kay Madam Coa later on, nasabi niya, malito, iba ito nandito sa item 1 here dito, iba yung nandito sa item 2 dito. Demanda ka from your included tayo lahat. So, what I am now asking is, let us try to reconcile these two resolutions. Tama lahat. But I do not know of the rules of your office with respect to LBC because I'm not a member. But what I am trying to clarify is there a need? So, kung sinabi niyo wala, then it's up to you. It's up to me. It's up to us.
I think it's naka-resist na tayo. Yung LBC kasi more general, hindi siya nakadetalya katulad nito.
No,
Parang estimate lang siya, approximation, gano'n. Kaya wala pa yung mga detalyadong ganito. Sa tayo ko hindi na kailangan i-amend yung LBC. If ever, dapat ito ang tumama sa total amount na yung pinag-usapan doon. Total amount na. Tsaka yung trust fund ito eh. Parang hindi kasali sa LBC yung trust fund. Ang nakasali lang doon yung current budget. Parang halimbawa, DRRM ngayon, taon na to, yun ang kasali sa LBC. Pero yung savings na kung saan nanggaling yung ito, diba? Kasi savings to eh. Hindi pa natin alam noon nung pinurmulate yung LBC resolution kung magkano yung savings natin na pwede natin sabihin.
The papers presented to us, is it correct that you passed another resolution? Kasi dun sa una,
Actually, I am not, what I'm just saying is that they try to reconcile the resolution because in the resolution, the series of 2019, there were items that were deleted, and in lieu thereof were the requests of the items designed for barangay. Diba? Example, chainsaw. This chainsaw were not included in the resolution.
Million plus po siya. Inad na lang po for the barangays. We're still considering po yung advice ni COA na mag-iwan po ng allotment for quick response funds in times of disaster.
But how do we reconcile the difference po?
Sir, from 20 to 23, they...
Kasi yung, correct me if I'm wrong, nagpasa kayo ng resolution na 20 million.
Yes,
diba?
sir.
Nawala yung example.
Kung hindi majority po na, kailangan pa ng majority.
Ayun lang, siguro that will be, wala akong problema, para lang for the consistency of paperwork. Either you amend the first resolution, or you pass another resolution with the added items. O, at the end of the day, para lang magpareho dun sa ina-approve natin.
Yeah, actually, Mr. Chairman, I'm very glad that the office accommodated the request of the barangay, especially with this time of the year where calamities, we do not know.
No more comments from my colleagues. I move that the matter be approved by the body. Or
Ibig sa...
correction.
Kasi approval lang.
Approval na. Okay. Even in the correction. I move, Mr. Presiding Officer, in view of the above stated findings, the committee hereby moves resolution.
It has been moved by Councilor Segundera. Any second?
Internal Rules of Procedure of the Sangguniang Panlunsod of the City of Alarios, Province of Pangasinan for the term 2019 to 2022.
Thank you very much. I believe we're still working on the final version.
Yeah, Mr. Chairman, I move that we schedule for another second reading.
If you want the record. And they strike that off the record.
And birthday party pala ni Ma'am Luzelle, tapos yung happy birthday.
Oo nga pala.
Advance happy birthday.
Okay, kanta natin. 1, 2, 3. Happy to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.